Good morning, dear students. Today we have practices at Liveworksheets. Practice number 1 is about the present simple. Activity A says, put the verbs in the correct box. El día de ayer vimos que cuando trabajo con los pronombres he, she, it en present simple, a mi verbo le puedo aumentar es, es or ies, right? Here you have verbs, aquí tienes verbos, and you are going to put them in the right column. For example, watch. What do you add to watch? Es or ies? Good. Watches, right? Because it finishes in ch. What about study? Where do you put es or ies? Termina en y. Antes tiene una consonante. Good, very good. Studies. And you put it in that way. And you are going to do that with every verb you have here. Put the verb in the right column and add es or ies to the verb. Then you are going to do activity B, that is, choose the correct option. In activity B, you have the next options. For example, in number 1, you have Jack go or Jack goes to school at 7 o'clock. Jack is he. So we add es. Jack goes. So you are going to complete this practice. And as soon as you finish, please click here. Click on finish. Then you are going to do the next practice. That is about present simple too. Present simple affirmative. So you are going to do the activity in this way. In number 1, you have my cat. En paréntesis tienes, en brackets tienes sleep all day. My cat es un animal. ¿Qué pronombre es? It. Si tendríamos que reemplazarlo por un pronombre, sería el pronombre it. It es uno de los pronombres especiales que quieren que tú les adiciones s, es o ies al verbo. En este caso, tu verbo sleep termina en p. Por lo tanto, le adicionamos s. Sleeps all day. Number 2, Susan lives in a small flat. Susan is... ¿Qué pronombre? She. So, what do we add? ¿Qué le adicionas a tu verbo? Tu verbo termina en e. Solo le adiciono es lives. And you complete this activity in this way. As soon as you finish, click on finish and send your activity. Haces clic en finish, envías tu practice. Recuerda sacarle una captura de pantalla a la práctica que ya tiene nota. Una captura de pantalla y lo envías como tarea a EduSoft. Okay, so good luck. Bye bye. Take care.